Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Swinney, coming at you this Wednesday afternoon from the balcony overlooking the New York Stock Exchange, and I'm going to share something with you. I'm going to share with you guys a little secret. I'm actually a little bit nervous right now because tonight there's a very big game happening. But see, I have to push that to the back burner because, well, stocks right now, they're surging, and I actually have a job to do. So it's almost 4 o'clock. The markets, they're about to close, and I'm immediately off to Flushing, Queens very shortly. So no drinks for me, so have one for me. Raise a glass and cheers to an orange and blue happy hour right here in the Big Apple. Now, U.S. stocks, they are indeed rising this Wednesday as investors take in an array of economic reports while also keeping an eye on surging oil prices. Let's begin first with oil. Crude futures are up nearly 2.5%, just under $50 a barrel. This after the EIA said U.S. crude inventories decreased by 3 million barrels, beating expectations, calling for a rise and marking the 5th straight week of declines. Meanwhile, on the data front, the ADP did find that companies in September created jobs at the slowest pace in 6 months as the labor market showed further signs of tightening. This is important as the ADP report is seen as a preview of the U.S. government's monthly non-farm payrolls report, which is due this Friday, 8:30 in the morning. Other data released today includes the trade deficit widening to $40.7 billion in August, while weekly mortgage applications rose 2.9%. That's not all. We also had factory orders and ISM non-manufacturing coming in better than expected. And with the U.S. dollar easing slightly, gold futures for December delivery recovering to rise just above $3.50 to $12.7320 a troy ounce. And as I begin to lose my mind while thinking about this evening, look, I'm stuttering. We have ourselves a session right now where advancers are indeed well ahead of decliners. Let's take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this, the more than halfway point of the trading week. Well, let me just get this out of the way because tonight I'm going to be in my hometown of Flushing, Queens, New York City. And for those of you that know me personally or through these videos, you know that I'm a die-hard Mets fan. And honestly, I'm way too excited and way too nervous tonight. You see, it's not just any other game. It's Wildcard Wednesday, where if you win, you're in, or you're one and done. Noah Thor Syndergaard against one of baseball's best and Madison Bumgarner. It'll be a duel in the Q Borough tonight. I'm looking for a close win, but hey, you never know. I just hope I can be on camera tomorrow morning, tired and with a smile, and not tired and frowning. We'll just have to wait and see. And with that stated, got my hat. We're gonna put it on and say it. New York pride. Let's go Mets. Let's make history and let's make October ours. For Modern Wall Street, I'm James Swinney.